Ladies and gentlemen, for years I steered clear of a certain food, convinced it was laden with unhealthy fats, a grave misjudgment that I deeply regret. What I uncovered revolutionized my perspective on nutrition and even the aging process itself. This overlooked gem stands as one of the richest natural sources of collagen, delivering profound benefits for your joints, connective tissues, skin, and beyond. Allow me to guide you through the science so you can harness this powerhouse for optimal health. As we age, our endogenous collagen synthesis plummets, declining by approximately 1% per year after age 20, according to landmark studies from the Journal of Investigative Dermatology. This physiological shift manifests palpably. Joints stiffen due to cartilage degradation, mobility diminishes as synovial fluid quality wanes, and recovery from physical stress prolongs. Simultaneously, skin loses its dermal density, with reduced elasticity and hydration, leading to fine lines and sagging. A 2023 meta-analysis in Nutrients confirms that supplemental collagen can mitigate these effects, improving joint pain by up to 20% in osteoarthritis patients and enhancing skin elasticity by 10 to 15% after 8 to 12 weeks of consistent intake. Yet, why turn to costly powders when nature provides a superior, bioavailable alternative at minimal expense, one that's been discarded or dismissed by most? Consider the transformative process of simmering bones, whether from beef or chicken, into a nutrient-dense broth. The prolonged heat hydrolyzes the triple helix collagen proteins into gelatin, a soluble form rich in essential amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. These are the precise building blocks your fibroblasts use to synthesize new collagen types 1, 2, and 3, critical for tendon resilience, ligament integrity, skin matrix, and hyaline cartilage in joints. Research from the International Journal of Molecular Sciences 2022 underscores how these amino acids upregulate collagen gene expression via pathways like TGF-beta signaling, promoting tissue repair without the synthetic additives in commercial supplements. This principle has endured for millennia, embedded in traditional Asian cuisines where chicken feet, known as phoenix claws in some regions, are revered not for aesthetics, but for their unparalleled collagen density. Here's the revelation. Chicken feet comprise predominantly connective tissues, skin, tendons, ligaments, and cartilage, with scant muscle or adipose content. A 100 G serving delivers roughly 15-20 G of protein, over 70% of which is collagen-derived, as quantified in USDA nutritional databases and corroborated by a 2021 study in food chemistry. Far from the fat-laden myth I once embraced, their lipid profile is modest, typically under 5 G per serving, mostly healthy unsaturated fats, making them a lean, targeted source of structural nutrition. When simmered low and slow in broth for 12 to 24 hours, this collagen gelatinizes, becoming highly bioavailable. Your body absorbs these peptides intact via the small intestine, where they stimulate endogenous production. Glycine fortifies the gut mucosa, reducing leaky gut permeability by modulating tight junction proteins. Per a 2024 review in Gut Microbes, while proline and hydroxyproline directly integrate into extracellular matrices. Clinical trials, including a randomized controlled study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology 2023, demonstrate that collagen-rich broths rival hydrolyzed supplements in boosting skin hydration by 28% and reducing wrinkle depth, with added perks for joint function via anti-inflammatory effects on cytokines like IL-6. The nutritional profile extends further. Chicken feet provide bioavailable micronutrients like zinc and copper, cofactors for collagen cross-linking enzymes LYSYL oxidase, as noted in Advances in Nutrition, 2022. Contrary to outdated fears, they clock in at about 150 to 200 calories per 100 G serving, offering dense satiety without caloric excess, ideal for those supporting metabolic health alongside tissue repair. Incorporating them is elegantly simple. Source organic or pasture-raised chicken feet from a trusted butcher or market, rinse thoroughly, and simmer in water with aromatics, onions, garlic, ginger for 12 to 24 hours. Strain the golden gelatinous broth for soups, stews, or sipping. Your body, exquisitely attuned to whole food matrices, will orchestrate the rest, rebuilding from within, fostering resilience against age's toll. My colleagues and I have witnessed remarkable transformations in patients embracing such ancestral strategies: smoother joints, radiant skin, and vitality renewed. Do not let misconceptions rob you of this gift. Embrace chicken feet in your broth today and empower your body to thrive. Your future self will thank you. Thank you for joining me. Share this insight with those you care for, and let's commit to vibrant health together. I'm Dr. Verena. Stay motivated, stay well.